I got out the flowers and I didn't get out anything else. Do I have one over here? Oh, oh my God. I thought it was a giant spider. It's oh, my glue gun. It's in my closet. I don't want to go to my closet. Shadow's being attacked by a crow outside. God, I need to work out. Oh. Hi, I'm really glad that you're here. This is my brand new channel. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, but I could never really get myself to do it. So I figured now's as good a time as any. I'm going to be working on something while we kind of just talk about what's going to be in this channel, what to kind of expect, which I'm Tammy. So this is something that I've been needing to work on for a really long time, and I had so many other things that I just couldn't get myself to do it. So thanks for body doubling me so I can get this done. This is something that I made a while ago for somebody, and their dog broke it. So now I'm going to fix it for them. It's mostly done. I really just have to kind of add some like more flowers and some moss and stuff to kind of just bring it back to life a little bit and add the little charm back on. Isn't it cute? So we're going to get that done today, and then we're going to kind of just talk about what to expect. So I think it's finally time to wrap this up. And no, I haven't done it 10 times. So get your caffeination, your hydration. Let's get started. Can I lower this? No, it's all the way down. Okay, so before I get started with this, because honestly, I'm still procrastinating, I figured I would talk a little bit about what's going to be on the channel, or at least what I kind of plan for this channel to be, because honestly, it's gonna keep growing and changing, I'm sure. But what I kind of want to do with this channel is I want to make things, I want to do DIYs, whether it's just little projects like this or like house projects. There could be some gardening things happening because I have convinced myself that I am a farmer. I'm not a farmer. But I really want to grow things, so I'm going to keep trying that. I'll probably make some videos on that. I want to try doing these thrift flips because everybody else makes these really, really cute things. I want to be able to make those really cute things. I see people do things and I 100% convince myself that I can also do those things because I watch enough tutorials or I watch people do them and I decide I can also do them. This is a very delusional channel. We'll be delusional together. We're gonna try and do those things. Also, sewing. I've never sewn a day in my life, but because I've watched so many people do it, I've decided I can. I even have, I don't know if you can see it behind me. Oh, there it is. I have a brand new sewing machine that I've never touched, but I plan on it at some point. I even have a whole bunch of fabric back there. In retrospect, I probably, I'll use that one, should have gotten all of this out before I started recording. In double retrospect, not sure if that's a thing, but it is now. I should have got another little jump ring to attach this, but I think I should be able to move my chair. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Am I doing it anyway? Yep. Pretty much sums up my life, really. Now to close it back. If I can. Get my fingers in here. Hey! That should stay there pretty well. Okay. Although, gosh darn it. I put it on backwards. Just kidding. That was only practice to see if I could do it. Now I know I can. So we're going to do it again, but this time the right way. Wow, I can't see from this angle. There we go. We are closed. We've got a charm. You know, if I planned ahead, I would have thought to plug this in while I was doing other things so it could heat up. So I'm going to do that now. Let's pick some flowers. I have this giant, let's move this a little, container of flowers that is hopefully in a shot someplace. So I think we can add some more purples and pinks to kind of bring those colors back out. I like these. Okay, so the plan. I really just kind of need to fill in some of these spots where there used to be flowers and they fell off, which aren't that many. And then down here at the bottom, I used a ton of glue and a screw to kind of hold this together. So if this thing falls, this part is not coming apart. That's solid. So I'm gonna have to cover that. And this thing will be pretty much done. I have no idea why I felt the need to not work on this for so long. Let's see here. Speed it up a little! The trick is you kind of have to look at this piece all the way around because it's very 360, kind of the point of it. So there isn't just like one place that you can kind of focus on and then, you know, nobody will see the back because there kind of isn't really a back. Okay, well, I don't know how much of that was not recorded. I guess I'll find out when I edit. So, back to what I was doing. I need to add a couple more flowers and then I think we are done. I need something. I think we add just like a couple of these. Oh, look at this one, it's like a 2-for-1 special. I like it.
A little wrap up before we get to the reveal. Basically, if you like Fairycore, cottagecore, cozy vibes, whimsical crafting, things like that, this might be a fun place for you. I hope you stick around. I hope you like the things that we do here. And I really hope that you'll subscribe, like, comment, all of the things. So, I guess nothing else to do but go to the reveal.